To fix the sponsor request limit reached on Cash App, start by understanding what this limit means. The sponsor request limit is a security feature implemented by Cash App to prevent abuse and ensure the platform remains safe for all users. When you reach this limit, it means you have sent too many requests to friends or family to sponsor your account, and you need to wait or take alternative steps to resolve the issue. First, check your Cash App account to see if you have any pending requests. If you do, cancel them to free up space for new requests. Next, review your recent activity to ensure you have not sent too many requests in a short period. Cash App has algorithms in place to detect suspicious behavior, and sending too many requests can trigger these algorithms and result in your account being limited. If you have checked your account and reviewed your activity, the next step is to wait. Cash App limits typically reset after a certain period, usually a few days or a week. During this time, avoid sending any new requests or engaging in behavior that could be seen as suspicious. Another option is to verify your account. Verifying your account can help increase your limits and reduce the likelihood of reaching the sponsor request limit in the future. To verify your account, go to the Cash App menu, select Profile, and follow the prompts to provide the required information. This may include your name, date of birth, and social security number. In addition to verifying your account, you can also consider alternative methods for receiving money. Cash App offers several features, including the ability to receive direct deposits and send and receive money using a linked bank account or credit card. Exploring these alternatives can help you avoid reaching the sponsor request limit and provide more flexibility in managing your finances. Finally, if you are still having trouble, contact Cash App support. They can provide more information about the limit and help you resolve any issues with your account. When reaching out to support, be sure to provide as much detail as possible about the issue you are experiencing, including any error messages you have received and the steps you have taken so far to try and resolve the problem. By following these steps and taking the time to understand the sponsor request limit, you can fix the issue and continue using Cash App without interruption. Remember to always follow best practices and use the platform responsibly to avoid reaching the limit in the future.